So I know my screen is kind of small right now, but I got banned from the Prodigy arena, but that's not what we're really here to talk about. Well, it is, because I got banned from the game pretty much, because all I really do is the arena. That's how my channel pretty much started. But yeah, I got banned from the arena, so I'm going to be making a new account. I'm going to be hacking it. Guys, if you want to be able to play the arena, do not hack for currency. As you can see, this is my gold. This is my copper coins. Hot Hots, Titan Shards, Florins, I have a bunch of. So yeah, you just get a bunch of stuff. None of this stuff is hacked for except for the cloud. But you can't get banned for that. You can only get banned from hacking for currency or hacking for buddies. Which I'm not sure how I even got banned, because I hadn't hacked in a while on this account, in like a week or two. And this thing only started to happen to me about 2 days ago, so I'm not sure how I got banned. Like, the only pet that I've hacked for here is Magmayhem, Pterosaur, Infernote, and all the epics, which I got by accident. So I'm going to be showing you what they said to me. So, yeah. This is what they said. Thanks for contacting Prodigy customer support. We'd be happy to help. We're sorry to hear that the issue you're experiencing. We've taken a look at your account and can see that there were edits made to it. This was done from the player level to try and manually add pets and currency to their account. That would be what's causing those errors. Did you try to edit your account by watching a Prodigy YouTube tutorial? No, I made a tutorial on how to do so that was created by a student. Were you trying to add pets or gold to your account? No, I was not trying to add gold. That gold is just there from when I used to hack on this account, but I don't anymore. I didn't try and add a pet. So we see this from time to time from students who try and hack our program using the developer tool in their browser. Yeah, so that would be like the Prodigy hack extension. Some kids create YouTube videos on how to do this that others will follow. Sorry if there was just a sound. My brother just came into my room. But the problem is they end up breaking their accounts in the process. So that is kind of stupid. I mean, it's a way to avoid people from hacking the game, but still kind of stupid. Unfortunately, this goes against our terms of service. So, like, you're saying, don't hack Prodigy, or we will ban you. But what if somebody... So what I did is I said, somebody must have hacked my account. It must have been my brother. He hacks the game. So I said that, and hopefully they're going to say something about that and maybe change my account back. Unfortunately, this goes against our terms of service. We have no way to reverse the damage done to our accounts through self-altering. If you would like to continue playing Prodigy without issues, you need to create an account going forward. I haven't read these two things. If you have a premium membership, you can ask your parents or guardians to transfer to your newly created account to continue to enjoy the benefits. If you have a premium membership, so I have a premium membership, so I guess I could convert it. We appreciate your understanding. If you need a hand with anything else, please don't hesitate to reopen the ticket by responding to this email. So I did respond to this email saying that, well, I'm probably going to blur this, but it says, someone must have hacked my account, frowny face. Maybe my brother, he likes to hack. Is there anything that can be done to fix it? So that is what I said. Hopefully they say something like I can unhack it, so, or like they can get it back. But yeah, just don't hack Prodigy, guys, on your main account at least. or you'll get banned from the arena, and you can't get these insane rewards such as the celestial armor, and you can't get the cake armor. So yeah, just don't hack Prodigy unless you're fine with not being able to play in the arena. I still will be using this account. I'm going to be hacking to get this stuff, since now there's no reason for me to be afraid of hacking, since I'm banned from the arena. They can't ban me any further. I'm not going to hack for the Trial Masters. I'm just going to hack for like all the new season stuff. Maybe my account will get fixed when the new season comes out, but I'm not sure. But yeah, just don't hack Prodigy. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.